Welcome to this video on Bitcoin. In this video, we'll explore what Bitcoin is, how it works, and why it's become a household name. From its decentralized nature to its volatile prices, we'll dive into the world of cryptocurrency and explore the ins and outs of Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is based on a decentralized technology called blockchain, which records all transactions on a public ledger. This ledger is transparent, tamper-proof, and accessible to anyone on the network. Bitcoin is limited to a total supply of 21 million, making it a scarce asset like gold. But what makes Bitcoin so unique? Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin isn't printed or controlled by any government or institution. Instead, it's created through a process called mining, which we'll explore later. Bitcoin also operates on a global scale, without borders or restrictions. This means that anyone with an internet connection can use Bitcoin, regardless of their location or financial status. How does Bitcoin work? Here's how it works. When a user wants to send Bitcoin to another user, they create a transaction and broadcast it to the network. The transaction is verified by nodes on the network, and once verified, it's combined with other transactions in a batch called a block. Each block is given a unique code, called a hash, and added to the blockchain. The blockchain is updated on each node, ensuring that everyone on the network has the same version of the blockchain. But how are transactions verified? That's where cryptography comes in. Cryptography is the practice of secure communication through encryption and decryption. In Bitcoin, transactions are encrypted using complex algorithms, making it virtually impossible to counterfeit or manipulate them. Once a transaction is verified, it's added to the blockchain, creating a permanent and public record. Mining. But how are new Bitcoins created? That's where mining comes in. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, which helps to secure the network and verify transactions. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add a new block to the blockchain and is rewarded with newly minted bitcoins. Miners are incentivized to continue validating transactions and securing the network through these rewards. The mining process is energy-intensive and requires significant computational power. Miners use specialized hardware and software to solve the complex mathematical problems, which are designed to require significant computational power. This helps to secure the network and prevent fraudulent activity. Advantages and limitations. Bitcoin offers several advantages, including decentralization, security, accessibility, and limited supply. However, it also has its limitations, such as volatility, regulatory uncertainty, environmental impact, and scalability issues. Bitcoin's price can fluctuate rapidly, and its legal status varies by country. Additionally, the energy consumption required for mining has raised environmental concerns. Despite these limitations, Bitcoin has inspired a new generation of cryptocurrencies and blockchain-based projects. Its decentralized nature and security have made it an attractive option for those looking for an alternative to traditional currencies. Real-world applications. So, what are the real-world applications of Bitcoin? From e-commerce to cross-border payments, Bitcoin offers a decentralized alternative to traditional fiat currencies. It also has the potential to bank the unbanked and provide financial services to underserved communities. Moreover, Bitcoin has inspired a new generation of cryptocurrencies and blockchain-based projects, further expanding its impact. Future of Bitcoin. As the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has paved the way for a new financial system. Its future is uncertain, but it has the potential to continue to shape the world of finance and beyond. Will it become a widely accepted form of payment, or will it remain a niche asset? Only time will tell. Conclusion. That's a comprehensive overview of Bitcoin and how it works. While it's still a relatively new technology, Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money and financial transactions. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to explore further, please leave them in the comments below.